Let's get physical.
He's like a monkey. He's gonna fall.
I am.
Fall.
It falls again.
This man gonna fall.
Hopefully he doesn't hit his face on the tree.
Hopefully he doesn't hit
Maybe
anything
hopefully
on the tree.
It'd be hilarious if you did.
It'd be bad.
Did you tie it this time?
No?
No.
All it is wrapped over itself and held with friction.
You're an idiot.
If I fall, don't call 911. I won't learn anything. Oh god. This is how I die.
Hopefully, why won't it fall?
Because it took him like an hour before it fell the first time. Just keep swinging on it, Brendan.
Hopefully the branch doesn't. Hopefully the branch does break. That'd be fucking hilarious.
Oh my god, oh my god! Alright, you can turn it off.